Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. It is that time again, my favorite time of the month. It is Boxycharm unboxing time. So I subscribe to the base box as well as the premium box. So obviously we'll be unboxing these together today, seeing what I got inside. I haven't really been paying too much close attention to any of the spoilers. Well, in fact, to be honest, I don't really pay attention to the spoilers at all. I like to genuinely be surprised by my boxes. I know that there is a palette in one of these, and I saw it on Instagram. I believe it's from TATI London. Shocker, but I can't remember which box it is in. So we're just going to dive right in, see what box was better between the base and the premium box, and then obviously I will give you my final unfiltered opinion about the August Boxycharm boxes. All right, so let's start off with the base box. See what's inside. Now, I did get a card. I know some people have been saying that they don't always get a card in their box. I have been getting a card consistently in both of my boxes, so I don't know what the deal is with that, but nonetheless, I digress. Let's move on. So this month's theme is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber, something like that. That's what it says right here. And then I got variation number 7. Wow, I think that is the lowest variation I have gotten in quite some time, maybe close to a year. So that's kind of nice to see. So let's dive in. Now this was my choice item, I believe. This is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I actually did a full dedicated review to this product. This was my holy grail ride or die concealer for the longest time. In fact, I used to do my entire face of foundation using this product. Now the shade I normally wear was sold out in choice, so I got the shade Shortbread. It looked close enough. It is, whew, this is a little bit light for me. However, I feel like in the winter months when my skin is a little bit lighter, this will be a perfect concealer for me. So if you aren't familiar with this is like a natural finish. It has extreme coverage, like high coverage, but it isn't drying, and that's why I used to love this product so much. It does have like this large pointed doe foot applicator. I am a huge fan of Too Faced product. I don't think I have tried much from Too Faced that I didn't like. I can't even honestly remember offhand a product I didn't like from Too Faced. I just think their formulations are great. I love their eyeshadows, and their complexion products are fantastic. Their Do You foundation is one of my all-time favorite foundation. So I was happy to see this in the box. I thought it was fun to have a choice like this where you could actually pick the color that would work for you. I think that they executed that a lot better than when they did earlier in the year, the Pretty Fresh concealers. That was just a shit show. Let's be real. That item, before I forget, is valued at $29. Moving on to what I see next from Violet Voss. This is from their Pro Series. This is their Essentials 2 eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $36. It comes with 10 shades. I think it's supposed to have a mix of everyday hues and pops of color as well. I've had Violet Voss shadows in subscription boxes before, and I always end up giving them away. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. For some reason, it's almost like in that category, like I always say, TATI London, where I'm just not like extremely drawn to it. I don't know. Let me know your opinions down below on the Violet Voss formula. What do you think? So this is what the shadows look like. I think that this is a cute palette. Is it something I would reach for all the time? No. I think it's a good color story. I like that you do have the more neutral colors up here. Then you've got the more fun colors up here. I mean, I really like the top row. This one right here, I'll be real, because obviously I love my neutrals. Pops of color are fun. I feel like this palette isn't overwhelmed with that. I think it does have a good balance, but again, I'd rather reach for like my pure Raw Beauty Christie palette. I like the way that that one's laid out a little bit more. I already have something like this, so I don't know if I'll hold on to this or give this away to a friend or family member, but we'll see. I want to hear from you guys what you think about this Violet Voss formula. So putting that aside and moving on to the next item. This is a Hydra Glow Sleep Serum from Mine Tan Body and Skin, Mine Tan. Okay, so this retails for $44.95. What is this product? It says this has triple action hyaluronic acid delivering time-released multi-depth hydration. So I'm wondering what else is in this besides hyaluronic acid. The base is water and glycerin. It's got some dimethicone in it, some sunflower seed oil, some grapeseed oil, avocado oil. So this is just going to be a serum that you can use at night to really infuse your skin with some hydration. So if you see this in your box and you're not quite sure what to do with it, that is personally what I would recommend. Or if you just have extremely dry skin and you need something a little bit extra on top of a daily moisturizer, you can use this in the morning as well. Just depends on your skin type. If you have oily skin, I don't think that this is going to work out so well for you just because of the avocado oil. Avocado oil can be sometimes comedogenic for people who tend to have oily, acneic skin versus someone who has more dry, dehydrated skin. So just a little bit of a tip for you on this one. I don't know if I see myself using this. Me personally, I try to steer clear from oils in my skincare. I do get clogged pores even though I am dry, so I don't know if I would use that either. All right, moving on to the next item from Real Her. This is the I Am Inspiring, that's kind of funny, I Am Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. Oh, this is a brow pencil. I thought this was going to be an eyeliner. This is a brow pencil. Does it have a shade or is it just kind of universal? It doesn't say that it has a shade. It's supposed to be waterproof, which is nice. It's supposed to be creamy. Very thin, so this is definitely a micro brow pencil for sure. I used to hate brow products like this, but I have truly grown to love them. My favorite brow products now are the thin micro pencils like this. Even though I have larger brows, I have really become accustomed to this. That is very nice, actually. I'm not putting much pressure at all, and I'm getting some color payoff that is fantastic. Now, the shade looks cool tone. I think that I could actually use this. Wow, I am actually really excited to try this. And bonus, thank you. I love when they do this with brow pencils. There is a spoolie on the end. This is like essential to me when I'm getting ready because, again, like I said, I have unruly brows and your girl needs a spoolie with her brow products. I don't want to have to reach for something else. No, I'm far too lazy for that. I want to have everything in one place. This one retails for $16. I think I might be the most excited about this product just from testing it out and how it worked on my hand. This could be really good. We have one more item in the box. This is from Clarins. Now, I haven't ever tried anything from Clarins, so this is exciting for me. This is their Velvet Lip Perfector. It retails for $26. This is in the shade Velvet Rosewood. I expected this to maybe be kind of more of like a really like bright red shade, but I believe this might actually be, oh, it's got this kind of a tip on it. Okay, so it's just surprises all over the place here. It's a little pinky, a little bit bright for me, but I think that this could be a very beautiful everyday lip color. So I'm excited to try this also because, again, I haven't tried anything from this brand. It says this is their best-selling natural lip perfectors, and it is a matte finish. So that is exciting. I'll have to try that out and see how I like that. All right, so let's dive into the premium box. I don't see that I have a card in this one. I spoke too soon. That is really weird. What is up with that? What is up with the card in some boxes and not in others? Honestly, if it was just me and I didn't do unboxings or whatever, I really wouldn't give a shit, but I like to know the value of my products. Nonetheless, let's just go ahead and dive into it. I think, again, I never remember, so I have to say I think. This was my choice. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Another product that is just not in a box, not sealed. That is one of my biggest pet peeves. It's not sealed on the inside. That's just so not hygienic to me. I can't imagine that even if I were to buy this at a Sephora, that this would just be sitting on the shelf like this. There would either be some sort of seal or some sort of box with the product, and I can't get this lid off the top. Oh my gosh, it smells so good though. It smells like an Orange Julius. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. Citrus stuff is my jam. I love anything citrus scented. So the fragrance is quite pleasing. This has a 5% vitamin C in it, antioxidant support. It says that this is actually significantly less irritating than other forms of vitamin C and that you can use this morning and night. See, I don't have any of the ingredient information. That's why I find that this is odd. I can't imagine that a skincare product would ever be sold without packaging that doesn't have the ingredient listing on it. Yes, I could easily look that up, but I feel like it should just come with the product. So I'm gonna have to look into that, see if this is something that will work with my skin. I do love the packaging. The packaging is quite nice, super heavy, and it feels very luxurious overall. And I also believe that usually items like this, that they come with their packaging, they would have some sort of scooper in it. Not always, but I feel like Sunday Riley would include that with their products. Moving on to the next item we have from is this Dermalect. This is their XL Lash Volumizer. So it has an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula. I believe that you could get this, and I can't remember the other product, but this is definitely something that I would never use. And I know on my quiz, I do specify that I'm not into like mascaras and stuff like that because I am so picky. So this is a cosmeceutical item. If you guys want kind of an in-depth explanation of skincare and the difference between medical grade and cosmeceutical grade and all that stuff, I did a whole video called The Truth About Skincare. I will link that in the description box below, so check it out. I believe it's helpful. It's just kind of a laid out video that has everything kind of laid out very easily to kind of follow and understand. So yeah, you can put this in your brows. You can put this on your lashes. Doesn't have much of a scent. Maybe I'll try this. I don't know. I got it in the box. Why not? It says it's supposed to be a conditioning treatment that will bolster, moisturize, and fortify. It says that it is specifically formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes and hairs and transform lashes to appear longer, fuller, thicker, and stronger. So, I mean, I guess why not? It doesn't have a very giant ingredient list, which is nice. So we could give that a shot. I don't know the value of this product because, again, I didn't get a card. The next item is from MAC. This is one of their satin lipsticks in the shade Spirit. Now, I love MAC's satin lipstick formula, so I am pretty excited about this product. I'm sure you guys have all seen a MAC lipstick before, but I will hold it up for you. Let's see what type of shade this is. Beautiful, beautiful neutral shade. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Girl, yes, that is right up my alley. I would definitely use this product. It's just got like that mauve-y mid-tone, perfect shade. Here's what the bullet looks like. This is the best thing I've gotten in this box so far. I'm a lipstick junkie, total lipstick junkie. And it had a box and it came with packaging. Thumbs up for that. The next item is from Fenty Beauty. This is one of her Fairy Bomb shimmer powders, and this is in the shade Coppa Chill. I have a feeling that this is going to be a little too dark for me. I feel like my quiz was just totally ignored in these two boxes. I'd be curious to know what you guys got, so always please comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. So here is what the shade looks like. Now, I believe that these are supposed to be able to be used obviously on the eyes, all over the body. This could be pretty if I mix it in with some lotion and I could get like a kind of coppery kind of body bronze type look. But yeah, this is way dark. I'll swatch it for you guys. There it is. I mean, that would be very pretty on the eyes, but that is, whew, that is dark. I'm not really familiar with this product. I don't even remember Fenty launching these. Super Shine Shimmer Hyper Luxe Effects Shimmer Powder. So I don't know. I can't believe it. It's hard for me to imagine that this would be just for the eyes because it is such a large amount of product that I do believe this is probably meant for the body, but this is just not going to work for me. Oh, is there a little puff in here? Oh, it just has the lid that you can put on it so that the product doesn't fluff everywhere, which is absolutely genius. I love that. All right, not super excited about that. Moving on to the next item, we have another Fenty product. This is the Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. Love the packaging. I love Fenty's packaging. Okay, so it's just kind of like a densely packed brush that you can use to buff out like cream contour, concealer under the eyes, which is nice. I can't get enough brushes and tools because I'm too lazy to clean them all the time. So if I can get another brush, I'm down with that. So that's a nice product. I'm happy to see that in my box. And then last but not least, I think this is the palette that I saw teased on Instagram. This is the Editor Palette New England from Ciate London. I always say this, again, shocker, a Ciate London product in a beauty subscription box. I would never imagine this brand in a box. Oh my God, it's so saturated. But here's what the packaging looks like. This is really cute packaging. It's plastic. 18 shadows in here. So first off, we've got a killer mirror on the inside. I'm digging that. That is a really nice large mirror. And I actually do enjoy the color story. Yes, I remember this is the palette that I saw teased online. I wish I didn't have eyeshadow on right now so that I could do a try-on style for you guys. But if you want to see like a quick little tutorial on this, let me know. I can always upload it to Instagram or put it on TikTok or something like that. So let me know. But these shades are really pretty. But I think that this is a really, really nice palette. That's pretty, and I'm excited to try their eyeshadow formula. Now, between the two boxes, which one did I like more? Honestly, I'm on the fence. I would have to say I like the premium box more this month, only because I'm more excited about this skincare product versus that face oil that I got in the base box. I am totally in love with this MAC lipstick shade, and I'm actually really impressed with this palette from Ciate London. I'm excited to try that. With the base box, I mean, it's okay. I'm not thrilled about the Violet Voss palette, and you guys, just as I'm going through this, I noticed this on the bottom of my Too Faced concealer. Why would there be this here? That's really strange. Has anyone worked in the retail business? Do you know what this would be on cosmetics? Why would they cross out the barcode? I find that to be a little odd, considering I don't have that on this barcode. I don't have that on this barcode or this barcode or this barcode here. So I'm a little bit kind of put off by that. Why would there be like a marker crossing out the barcode on this? Anyways, back to what I was saying. I don't know, I'm just not super crazy about the base box. Love the brow pencil, super excited to try that. I already own this. I chose this because, well, the other items for choice in this box just didn't excite me. So overall, I have to give the win to the premium box this month. As always, leave me a comment down below. What did you get in your boxes? Have you unsubscribed, resubscribed? Have you caught yourself kind of in that loop with Boxycharm? Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, please be sure to subscribe if you enjoy the content. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.